Weather Service in Morristown has issued a for Claiborne County in eastern Tennessee, Hancock County in eastern Tennessee, northern Union County in eastern Tennessee, northern Granger County in eastern Tennessee, northeastern Campbell County in eastern Tennessee, Hawkins County in eastern Tennessee, Wise County in southwest Virginia, the city of Norton in southwest Virginia, central Scott County in southwest Virginia, Lee County in southwest Virginia, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:37 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Stinnett to Relativenlin and moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Rogersville, Norton, Wise, Sneedville, Rutledge, Jonesville, Big Stone Gap, New Tazewell, Bean Station, Tazewell, Sirgoinsville, Pennington Gap, Harrogate, Clover Fork, Church Hill, Jellicoe, Coever, Appalachia, Pound, and St. Charles. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive in areas where water covers the road. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee, Campbell and Claiborne, and the following counties in Virginia, Lee and Wise. The severe thunderstorm warning